Good morning to all students. Last class I discussed a system of non-homogeneous linear equation. Okay, today also I discuss about the non-homogeneous linear equation examples. Okay, see here. This is the example. Last class I discussed 5 examples. This is the 6th example. It is, see here, it is the x1, x2 minus x3 is equal to 1. Then second equation, that is the x1 minus x2 minus x3 is equal to minus 1. Then next go to a third equation, that is 3x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 is equal to 3. Okay, this is your equation. Okay, first you take the argumentative matrix. Argumentative matrix means you take the coefficient of the first column, second, then third and fourth. Means that is x1, x2, then coefficient of x3, then constant. Okay, this I write here. This is the 1x1, then 1x2, then minus 1x3, then is equal to 1. I write here 1, 1, minus 1 and 1. Okay, next second one, that is also a 1 is there, minus 1 is there, and minus 1 is there, and finally minus 1, constant minus 1. Okay, next third, 3 is there, 1 is there, minus 2 is there, and 3 is there. Okay, I take that is the A dot B, the argumentative matrix. Okay, next operation is there. This is second element. First element is unity. After that, using the row operation. After that, row operation means that is the R2 equal to R2 minus R1. Here, R2 equal to R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 means 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Next, second, minus 1. R2 is minus 1 is there. Minus 1, that is minus 1. That is minus 2. Okay. I write here minus 2. Okay. Next one, minus 1 is there. And minus into minus plus 1. Okay, that is plus 1 minus 1, that is 0. I write here 0. Next come to a final last one. Last element is minus 1 is there. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 2. I write here minus 2. That is the R2. Next come to a third row, that is the R3. R3 equal to R3 minus 3R1. Why means here 3 is there. Multiplying 3 to a first row. Okay, then that is 3 into, okay, sorry. 3 minus 3 into R1. R1 is 1. That is 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. Next come to a second element. That is 1 is there. Okay. 1 minus 3 into. What is the R1? That is also 1. That is 1 minus 3. That is the 1. 1 minute. 1 minus 3. That is minus 2. I write here minus 2. Okay. Next come to a third element. That is the minus 2 is there. Minus 2 minus 3 into R1. R1 means that is the minus 1. The simplification, that is minus 2, that minus into minus plus, that is 1. Okay. Here I write here 1. Okay. Next third one, that is 3 is there. R3 is 3. Okay. R3 is R3 minus 3R1. 3 minus 3 into, what is the R1 value? Then 1. That is 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, I write here 0. Okay, I mean that is the second row and third row operation is over. Okay, next come to a next come to a this one. This one is 0. Okay, after then R3. See here R2 is minus 2 is there. R3 also minus 2 is there. Okay, that's why operating R2 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 R2. Okay, 1 by 2 R2 means that minus minus that plus 1 2 to cancel, remaining is 1. Okay, what is the value? R2 equal to minus 1 by 2 R2. Okay, see here that is the minus 2 is there. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus, then this 2 cancel, remaining 1. I write here 1. Okay. Next here also minus 2 is there. That is also same. That is minus 2 means that is I write here 1. Okay. Next come to third row R3. R3 equal to R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2 why means here minus 2 is there. Here also minus 2 is there. That's why R3 equal to R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2 means R3 is minus 2 minus of minus 2 minus minus plus that is 2 plus 2 sorry minus 2 plus 2 that is 0. I write here 0. This one 0. Okay, this is 0 minus 0. This one 0. Okay, this is minus 2 that is plus 2 that is also 0. Next come to it. Here 1. 1 is there. R3 is 1. 1 minus R1 is R2 is 0. That is 1 minus 0 is 1. I write here 1. Okay, next 0 is there. 0 minus 2 that is minus into minus plus that is plus 2. I write here plus 2. Okay, now finally come to here. First one is unity. After that the leading is 0 0. Okay, next see here this one. Sorry, this first one is unity. The leading is 0 0. Then second element also unity. The leading means the below the element is 0 0. That is echelon form. Okay. Finally, you write here. That is totally. This one is A. This is the rank of A. This is rank of 4 is rank of AB. Okay. Therefore, rank of AB is equal to rank of OBC here. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 3 non-zero element is there. Rank of AB equal to 3. Okay. Then rank of A is also 3. It's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Therefore, you write here rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 3. The number of unknowns. Okay. Next come to here. Therefore, the system is consistent. You know that one. Rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 3 means the system is consistent. It has a unique solution. Remember this one? This is the important. Rank of AB is equal to rank of A equal to 3. This is the consistency. After that, that is a unique solution. That unique solution means next step is that is reconstruct the system of the final form of AB. Means the final form of A dot B that is reconstruct means you take the coefficient of this matrix. Don't confuse this one. This is the X, this is the Y, this is the Z, this is the constant. I reconstruct this equation, means this matrix reconstruct means we take here, this is the X1. In even this problem, we take here X1, that is the X2, that is the X3, that is constant. Okay. Next you write here, that is the 1 is there, 1x1, 1x2. Okay. Next minus 1 is there. That's why only I write here minus x3 is equal to constant 1. Okay. Next line, that is the 1 is there, that is the x2. Means that is the 1x2 is equal to x3 is 0, x1 is 0. Only x2 is equal to 1. Then third equation, x3 is equal to 2. I write here x2 is equal to 1, x3 is equal to 2. Okay. Next come to here. We know that one x2 value is and x3 value. X2 is 1, x3 is 2. Okay. Then substitute that equation 1. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. This is equation 1 is equal to that is the what I don't know that x1 value. After that we know x2 and x3 value. X2 value is 1, x3 value is 2. Okay. Then x1 is equal to that is the 1 minus x2 plus x3. That is x1 is equal to 2. Means x1 is therefore you finally write therefore x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 1 and x3 is equal to x3 is equal to 2. That is the required solution. Okay. This is one example. Okay. Next example, that is also a same. This is the 7th example. Here, your question is solve x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Then x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 4. Then 2x1 plus 6x2 plus 10x3 is equal to 14. Next fourth one, here 4 equation is there. That is x1 plus 4x2 plus 7x3 is equal to 10. Okay. We take first step is you take the augmented matrix, that is this is the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix of A into B. Means A comma B means they are taking this is the A, this is the B. Okay. I take the coefficient of x1, x2 and x3. Okay. X1 means that is the 1, 1, 1 and constant 1. Next second equation that is also a 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, next come to a third equation, that is the 2 is there, 6 is there, 10 is there, and 14 is there. Okay, next come to a fourth equation, that is the 1 is there, 4 is there, 7 is there, and 10 is there. I write here that augmented matrix. Okay, next step is the coefficient, means we take the row operations. Okay, see here. Okay, see here, we take the row operation, first R2. Okay, what is the R2? Okay, that is, I write here, that is 1, 1, 1, 1. Next 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next 2, 6, 10, and that is the 14. Next last equation, that is 1, 4, that is the 7, and 10. Okay, this is your rank of, that is the AB, augmented matrix, that is the A of B. Okay, see here. Here we take, that is the R2 operation. What is the R2 value? That is R2 equal to R2 minus R1. Why means R2 is 1 is there. R1 also is 1 is there. That's why 1 minus 1 is 0. I write here 0. Okay, next element, that is the 2 is there. R2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, next one 3 is there. 3 minus 1 is, that is the 2. Next final one, that is the 4 is there. 4 minus 1 is 3. I write here 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next one, that is the next one R3. R2 is over. Next R3. R3 is equal to R3 minus 2R1. Why means R3 also 2 is there. R1 is 1 is there. That's why multiplying 2 to a first row. Okay. Then here, that is the 2 minus 2. That is the 0. Okay. Next comes to a second one. That is 6 is there. Okay. 6 minus 2 into, what is R1? 1. Okay. That is the 2 1 are 2. Okay. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Next one, that is the 10 is there. 10 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 10 minus 2 is, that is 8. Okay. Next come to a 14. 14 is there. Okay. 14 minus 2 into 1. That is the 2. Okay. 14 minus 2, that is 12. I write here 0, 4, 8, and 12. That is the third row. Okay. Next come to a fourth one. That is the R4. Okay. R4 means, that is, we take here R4 value, R4 is equal to R4 minus R1. R4 is, see here, R4 is 1 is there. Which is R4 is 1 is there. This one. This one. Okay, R4 minus, that is R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. See here. Finally write, that is the 0, then 3, 6, then 9. Okay. This is R4 minus R1 means you come here, that is the 3, 6, and 9. Okay. Next come to a, that first one, see here, first one is unity, the leading below element is 0, 0. Next second column, second element also unity. Then the next our step is, that is 4 and 3 is there, the replacing 0 and 0. Okay. That's why next operation is R3 equal to R3 minus 4R2. Why mean R2 1 is there, here R3 is 4 is there. That's why R3 equal to R3 minus 4R2. Okay. Next thing here, 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, already 0 minus 0, that is 0. Okay, next come to 8 is there. Okay. 8 minus 4 into 2. Here 2 is there, 4 to the 8. That is the plus 8 minus 8, that is also 0. Next, here 12 is there. R3 is 12. 12 minus 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. This is the plus 12 minus 12, that is also 0. Okay, that is R3 is over. Next come to a R4. What is the R4 value? R4 equal to R4 minus 3R2. R4 is here 3 is there. That's why R4 is equal to R4 into multiplying 3 to second row. Okay. Next come to here. That is 3 minus 3 is 0. That is 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. Next come to here. 6 is there. 6 minus 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is also 6. 3 into the 6 plus 6 minus 6, that is 0. Next term is here. That is the 9 is there. Here 3 is there. Okay. 9 minus 3 into 2. 3 3 is the 9. Then plus 9 minus 9, that is 0. Okay. Next finally you write the rank of AB. This is the AB. Therefore, the rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 2. See here, this is the 0 element. Okay, only this one. Rank of AB is equal to this is the 2. Means 2 non-zero element is there, and rank of A is also a 2. Okay, therefore you write rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 2. That is less than 3. Means that is number of unknowns. Rank of AB is equal to rank of A equal to 2, that is less than 3 means the number of unknowns means the system consisting it has a infinite solution. Remember this one? The rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 2 is less than 3 means that the system is consistent, it has a infinite solution. Okay. Next consistent, next reconstruct the system of equation. Reconstruct means you take the matrices, the see here, first you reconstruct me. You see, first here, this is the x1, x2, x3 and constant. Okay. Reconstruct me. This is the x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. I write here. This is the equation 1. Okay. Next, second row, that is the 1 is there, 2 is there. First x1 is 0. 0 x1 is remove x1. Okay, neglect x1. After that, that is x2 is there. x2. Okay, x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 3. I write here x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 3. That is the equation 2. Okay, next come to equation 1. The value of x2 substitute here. That is the x1 is equal to 1 minus. Okay, x2 and x3 value come to this side means that is the minus x2 and minus x3. That is equal to that is the what is the x2. X2 is that is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2x3 minus that is x3. That is equal to that x3 that simplification. That is x3 minus 2. Finally you write x3 minus 2. Okay. Next you choose that x3 is equal to k. That is the arbitrary constant. We choosing that x3 is equal to k means next you write the next one value. What is x1? x1 equal to k minus 2. Then x2 is equal to 3 minus 2x to k. Then x3 is equal to only k. Okay. This is the finally right. Therefore, this is the required solution. Okay. This is the 7th one example. Next complete. Next example. This is also a say here finding the lambda value. Okay. See here. What is your question? Find the value of lambda for the system. That is the x1 plus x2 plus x plus y plus z is equal to what? Then x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to lambda. Then x plus 4y plus 10z is equal to lambda square is there. Okay, is the consistent and hence the solve. Means here given three equations. Okay, after that the finding the value of x lambda. Okay, see here. First your step is the augmented matrix. You write the augmented matrix means the coefficient of x and y and z and constant. Okay. Now see here, I write here that is the 1x is there and 1y and then 1z is there. I write here the coefficient of x, y, z and constant. Okay. That is the second one. Second equation. The 1 is there and 2 is there, 4 is there, lambda. 1, 2, 4 and lambda. Next come to a third equation. 1 is there, 4 is there, 10 is there and lambda square is there. I write here 1, 4, 10 and lambda square. This is the augmented matrix. Okay, next step is the row reducing. That is the echelon form. Okay, first one is unity. After that, the reading is 0, 0. Okay, that's why the operating here 1 is there, R2 equal to R2 minus R1. Okay, what is the R2 value? 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, next come to second element 2 is there. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, next 4 minus 1 is 3. Next here, lambda minus 1, you write here lambda minus 1. That is R2 minus R1. Next come to a third row, that is R3 also 1 is there. That's why R3 minus R1. Okay, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 is 0, right here. Next 4 minus 1 is 3, then 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, then lambda square minus 1, right here, lambda square minus 1. This is R3 minus R1. Okay, next step, this is the first, this is 0, 0. Here 1 is there, correct. After that, you 0 this one. Okay, replacing the 3, we take the 0. Okay. Here, next step is, that is the R3. Next one, here 3 is there, that's why R3 is equal to R3 minus R3 minus 3R2. Okay, here 3 is there. Okay, I replace that one. That is the R3 minus R2 means that is also a this column, that is the 0, 0. Okay, see here, that is the last one. What is that one? 3 is there and 9 is there. Right here, last one is the third row, that is the 0, 3 and 9 lambda square minus 1. Okay. See here, R3 equal to R3 minus 3R2. Okay, R2 means you multiply this one, that is 0 minus 0, 0. Next 3 is there, that is the plus 3 minus 3, that is also a 0. This is also 0. Next 9 is there. Okay, 3 into 2 is the 3, sorry, 3 3 is the 9. This 3 multiplying this one, 3 3 is the 9. Okay, that is the plus 9, that is minus 9, that is also a 0. Next come to a last one, that is the lambda square, lambda minus 1 is there, R2, R3 is lambda square minus 1. Okay, next multiply this one, lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2. Multiply this one. That is lambda square minus 1 into lambda minus 1. Okay. Here R3 is lambda square minus 1 is there. Okay. Then R3 lambda square minus 1. R3 minus 3 into. What is the R2 value? This is the R3. This is R2. That is lambda minus 1. Okay. Multiplying 3 to this one. That is the lambda square minus 1 minus 3 lambda. Then minus into minus plus. That is the 3 into 1 is, that is 3. Okay, in finally lambda square. Okay, here minus 1 is there, here plus 3. That is the 2. That's why lambda square minus 3 lambda. Then that is the plus 2. Okay, this is one equation. A square plus bx plus c. That is the quadratic equation. Okay, after that is the R3 is 4. Okay, then finally you write here the rank of A is equal to 2. Why mean here only 1 and 2 non-zero element is there. That's why the rank of A is equal to 2 and rank of A is equal to 3. You see here? Here 1, 2, 3. That is rank of A is equal to 3. And rank of A is equal to 2. Okay. Next, use for the system is consistent. Then rank of A equal to rank of A is equal to rank of A. Okay. Rank of A means that quadratic. You remove that one. 1 minute. Here, next, use simplification. See here, that is the lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. You take that one, the quadratic equation. Then after that, the simplification means that is add and subtract means minus 3. Then the multiplication 2. Okay. Which table means 2 ones are 2. Okay. Here, see here. 2 into 1, that is the 2. Okay. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Then you go to a, that is the minus. Because number sign is minus 3 is there. That's why minus 2. That is the plus 1. Okay, then simplification. How to find, you know that one? Lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. Then lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 lambda. Now, this is the minus. This is also minus. Minus into minus plus. Okay. Then plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Finally, write lambda square. Okay, you take the comma, that is lambda means, that is the lambda minus 2. Here minus 1 means lambda minus 2. Okay, next lambda minus 2 is one equation, one value, and lambda minus 1 is equal to 0, another value. Then lambda is equal to 2, minus 2 come to this side means that is the plus 2, that is lambda equal to 1. I write here lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2. Then lambda is equal to 1 and 2. What is the value of lambda? That is 1 and 2. Okay, next come to here. Here for the lambda equal to 1 and 2, the above system is consistent. Then since rank of AB is equal to rank of A equal to 2 is less than 3, that is the number of unknowns. Okay, the system is unique solution. That is the rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 2 is less than 3 means that the system is unique solution. Okay, next come to a next step. Then one case is there. Case 1 and lambda is equal to 1. Why means the lambda value 2 is there. That's why first one the lambda equal to 1. Okay, you substitute lambda value is then equation 1. Okay. Next here, that is the lambda is equal to 1. Then the augmented matrix, that is the 1 1 1. I same as I write here. After that, the reconstructing the equation. The reconstruct means that is the x, that is the y, that is the z I found. Okay. I write the first equation x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Next second one, x is 0 is there. Y and z is there. 1y plus 3z is equal to 0. Then y is equal to minus 3z. Plus 3z come to this side, that is the minus 3z. Next, you that value, the substitute is 1. Okay, 1 means that is the x is equal to 1 minus y minus z is equal to 1 minus what is the value of y value? That is the 3z. 1 plus 3z minus z is equal to that is 1 plus 2z. 3z minus z that is 2z. Okay. Next step is choosing the z is equal to k1. Why means we taking the two cases. That's why z is equal to k1. Okay. That is the arbitrary constant. You know that one. So that then x is equal to what is the x value? That is 1 plus 2k1. What is the y value? Y is equal to minus 3k1 and z is equal to k1. Okay. This is the required equation. Okay. This is the required general solution means. Next go to a second case, that is the lambda is equal to 2. Okay, what is the lambda is equal to 2? Next you take the same matrix. After that, the equation, that is the x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Then y plus 3z equal to 1. Then y is equal to 1 minus 3z as it is. Okay, next substitute here value, that is the x is equal to 1 minus y minus z. Okay, that is equal to 1 minus, what is the y value? That is minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3z minus z is equal to 2z. Okay, next here, the choosing the z value, choose z is equal to k2. Next step. Z is equal to k2 means that is the what is the x value? X is equal to 2k2. Y is equal to 1 minus 3k2. Then z is equal to k2. Okay, this is your required complete solution. Means we take here lambda is equal to two values, that is the 1 and 2. That's why this is the first case. Lambda is equal to 1. We take that one. After that, the value of x, y, z finding here. And next come to a second case. That is the lambda equal to 2 means we take the x value. Okay. This is the complete solution. Okay. Next come to a next example. Okay. Here, this is also same. That is the x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Then second equation 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 20. Then x plus 2y plus lambda z is equal to mu. Okay, you know that one? The symbol of This one is mu. This one. This is the lambda symbol. This is the mu symbol. Okay. This your question is the first one is unique solution, second one is infinite solution, and third one is closed solution. Okay. First you take the augmented matrix of these three equations. Okay. First that is the A dot B. That is the augmented matrix. That one. First you take 1, 1, 1, 6. Next one 2, 4, 6, 20. 2, 4, 6, and 20. I write here 2, 4, 6, and 20. Next come to a third equation. That is the 1, 2, lambda and mu. I write here 1, 2, lambda and mu. Next step is the taking the row reducing the echelon form. Okay. First one is unity. That is the correct. Okay. Next the below element is 0, 0. This one 2 and 1. Okay. Next one that R2 is equal to R2 minus 2R1. Here 2 is there. R1 1 is there. Let's multiply 2 to a first row. After that R2 equal to R2 minus 2R1. Okay. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Here 4 is there. 2 1 are 2. 4 minus 2, that is the 2. Next 6 minus 2, that is the 4. Next 20 minus 2 into 6. 2, 6 that's 12. Then 20 minus 12, that is 8. Okay, that is the R2. Next come to R3. R3, 1 is there. R1 also 1 is there. That's why R3 equal to R3 minus R1. Okay. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next 2 minus 1 is 1. Next lambda minus 1, you write here lambda minus 1. Next here mu minus 6. I write here mu minus 6. Okay, that is R3 equal to R3 minus R1. Next step, go to here. That is the R2. Here 2 is there. I want here 1. Okay. That's why R2 is equal to 1 by 2 R2. Here 2 is there. Here 4 is there. Here 8 is there. Okay. All are one table. That's why 1 by 2 means here 2, 2. That is the 1. After that 2 1 are 2, 2, 2 to the 4 is there. That is the 2. Then 2 1 are 2 4 are 8. Okay. Means that is the 1 by 2. Means this divide 2, this divide 2, and this divide 2. Okay. Next here the R3 last one. Next you write here R1 as it is, R2 also as it is. Okay. Next you come to a third R3. R3 equal to R3 minus R2. Why means here R3 is 2, 1 is there. R3 is 1. Okay. That's why R3 is equal to R3 minus R2. That is 0 minus 0. That is 0. Next 1 minus 1 is 0. Then lambda minus 1 into 2 is, that is the here lambda minus 3 minus what is R2? 2. Is 3 minus 2, that is here lambda minus 1. Sorry. Lambda minus 1 and minus 2. That is lambda minus 3. I write here lambda minus 3. Next here mu minus 6 is there. Mu minus 6. Then minus of what is R2? That is the 4 is there. That is mu minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6 minus 4, that is the minus 10. I write here mu minus 10. Okay. Next step is, you know that one. That is the first, your question is, first one is unique solution. Next second one is infinite solution. Next no solution. Okay. First your question, first unique solution. Unique solution means you take here, this is the possible, that is the rank of AB is equal to rank of A equal to 3. That is number of unknown. Here rank of AB is also a 3 is there. Rank of A is also a 3. Non-zero element is there. That's why rank of AB is equal to rank of A equal to 3. That is the number of unknown. There must have a 3 non-zero rows in both A and AB. Okay. Next, you know that one. Then lambda minus 3 is not equal to 0. See here, this one. Lambda minus 3 is not equal to 0. Then lambda is not equal to that plus 3. That minus 3 comes to this side. That is lambda is not equal to then 3. Okay. Whatever, there may be a value of mu. Okay. You only considering this one. Okay. Next, this is the unique solution. Next, go to a infinite solution. Infinite solution means this is the possible only when if that is the condition is there, lambda of AB is equal to rank of AB. Sorry, the rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 2 is less than 3. That is the number of unknowns means we take here, that is the two non-zero element is there, it must have a two non-zero rows, then A and AB. Okay. Then you write here lambda minus 3 is equal to 0, then mu minus 10, this one. Mu minus 10 is equal to 0. Then lambda is equal to 3 and lambda is equal to 10. This is the, sorry, lambda is equal to 3 and mu is equal to 10. Okay. What is the lambda value? It is 3. What is the mu value? That is the plus 10. Okay. This is the infinite solution. Next, go to a third one. That is the no solution is there. Okay. The no solution means that is the condition rank of AB is equal to rank is not equal to rank of A. Remember this one? No solution means rank of AB is not equal to rank of A. Then you write here rank of A is equal to 2. Then rank of AB is equal to 3. Then therefore mu minus 3, sorry, lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. Then mu minus 10 is not equal to 0. Here this one is 0 means this is not equal to 0. Okay. Then see here, finally you write here lambda is equal to 3 and mu is not equal to 10. That is the no solution. Okay. Why mean rank of AB is equal to 3, rank of A equal to 2. Why mean we take here lambda is equal to 3. Means lambda is equal to 3 means 0 means we take this is the 2 non-zero element, this is the 3 non-zero element. That's why rank of AB is not equal to rank of A. Okay. Here, this is the last one. Okay. Once again, you see this one and you finding what is the non-homogeneous linear equation, and after that you finding how to find the augmented matrix and row reducing. Okay. Next, go to a finally you write that is the consistency. Okay, and the homogeneous equation and non-homogeneous equation, or otherwise it's the unique solution. Okay. Thank you for all. Once again, see this one equation, all are same, but only we changing the x, y, z. Otherwise, the number of constants that is x1, x2, x3. Okay, otherwise we take w, x, y, z, any one you take. Okay, first you take the augmented matrix. After that, the row reducing echelon form. Then you using the row operation only. Okay, not a column. Only you using the row operation. Okay, then finding the reconstructing that equation. Okay. Finally, you got that x, y, and z value. Otherwise, x1, y1, and z1 value. Okay. Thank you for all.